everybody, this is Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations, and I just wanted to share this quick video with you about our new ink pads that are coming out in our annual catalog that starts June 1st. So currently, these are our ink pads, okay? And they're going to sell these until they run out. So if you're ordering, let's say if you're ordering Melon Mambo, an existing color, and you order it after June 1st, you still may get this ink pad, so they're going to sell them down. So I just wanted to share that. Also, the other thing that I had heard from them is that the current ink refills, so we'll use Melon Mambo again. If I have an existing Melon Mambo ink pad, and an existing Melon Mambo ink refill, okay, obviously I can use the two of them together. If I still have refill left in my ink pad, and I get a new one, I can still use my refill in the new pad. The only thing it will be missing is the defoamer. So the new formula adds a defoamer in it to keep it from bubbling. Sometimes when you get an ink pad, it's kind of juicy and it bubbles a little bit. So there's a component in there that's going to stop that. But you can go ahead and you can still use the same ink refill. So I'm not going to replace any of my refills until they run out, which is great. So so difference in the stamp pads. The new ones, they're about the same width. They are quite a bit thinner, okay? And they have these little grooves right here, okay? And they stack, so you can stack them like that. All right, and I'm going to show you the labels in just a second. So they take up considerably less room. For now, I'm not replacing my ink pads as I use them, as they get damaged, as they need to be replaced. I'll replace them, but as I get the new colors, I'll be getting them in the new one. So currently, when you have our ink pad, you have the stickers on the bottom. You take the one off, you put it on the edge, right? And then you put your pointer here, your thumb, you push, you flip, right? And then you slide down, okay? So those are our current ink pads. Our new ink pads are more like a compact. So just hold it, all right? And then just flip it up and open. So it's great if you've got problems with your hands, arthritis, or you just can't, carpal tunnel, you just can't turn. All right, so when you open it up, it's like a compact, all right? And it slides in the track. And the more you open it and close it and slide it, the easier it'll slide, okay? Mine are fairly new. So when you slide it in like that, then you're just going to push and pull and flip. Okay. Now, I wanted to wait to put the stickers on this. So on the bottom here, you've got the sticker sheet. And yeah, I'm not going to lie. I'm not used to the new ink pads yet. Can you see my finger? I do. I have ink everywhere. So I have to be careful not to touch things. I'm not used to the new ink pads yet. And I have been putting my finger in the ink when I have been opening and closing it and sliding it. So I'll get used to it. It'll stop. But I wanted to go ahead and show you, you know, that's my life, right? So on the bottom, you have your labels, all right? So the first one you have is your lovely lipstick labels. So let me go ahead and get my poker here. And I'm going to peel that off. All right, and I am going to, let me clean that off a little bit first. All right, so I am going to put it right here on the edge, just like we did our other ones. All right, just like that. So there's my lovely lipstick label. All right, if you look over here, you have this blank one down here. So go ahead and pull that one up. And it's just blank, and it's just the color. All right, let's go ahead and open our ink pad. And if you look right here, you have a well. And in this well, you can go ahead and put the sticker for this ink pad. So that way when it's open and on your table, you can see what color you're using. So thank you, Stampin' Up, for doing that. I know I appreciate it. I know my customers will appreciate it. And then I just close it again and we're done. So again, I just wanted to show you those ink pads. Our new annual catalog first. You can go ahead and place an order on my site anytime between now and May 31st. And then as soon as I get those catalogs, I'll go ahead and send one out to my customers. Any size order makes you one of my customers, and I will send you the catalog for free. So you can go on randycollins.stampinup.net, and you can do that. You can email me, randycollins.247@gmail.com, if you'd like me to place that order for you. But like I said, all of my customers will go ahead and get a new catalog sent out to them. So you just need to make a purchase to be a customer. So I will have new videos coming out with the new products that are coming very, very soon. And I'll talk to you guys soon. So thanks again for watching. This is Randy from Randy's Crafty Creations, and have a great day.